So guys, finally I decided to get a prop account. So guys, for over 6 months right now, I banned myself from trading. In case you are wondering why I did that, um, here's my story. First of all, my name is Ezekiel Wachuku, and this is Easy the Trader, and I am a forex trader. Okay, actually, I started trading forex sometime. I actually funded my very first live account sometimes in February of 2023, and February of 2025 will make it 2 years of my active trading. Okay, so guys, what actually motivated me to trade was that actually I used to be a crypto trader. That is, I trade all those P2P, buy crypto from one platform, selling another platform, those kind of opportunities, arbitrage opportunities, and I also teach people to have channel that I do that and teach that, right? And I was actually doing a research one day on futures, and then I came across a video that talked about trading to buy a house, and it was Jeffrey Benson, stuff like that. So after watching that video, I was so motivated, and I feel like, God, if this guy can do this, I believe I can do it, right? So that was how my first journey actually started. I followed up Jeffrey Benson, but I saw his strategy doesn't actually suit me. So I realized that, luckily, I realized that early enough. So I started looking for the strategy that works best for me. Okay, until I come across another trader. Okay, and I bought his course and all of that. And eventually, I think that was actually after I blew my first account, because the first account, $100 I funded, I traded it for 2 months. Guys, yeah, 2 months, and I blew it up. I know some of you will not even last more than a month or thereabout, or even weeks. Your first account definitely blew it. So after then, I started looking for knowledge. All right. So after I've gotten the course, I decided to go and buy another. That was my first profile account, which was Consummate, right? That time Jeffrey Benson and Abby, they were promoting Consummate massively. So I bought one of the Consummate. That one, you just get funded immediately. I think you just have to pass just one challenge, and then you be funded. So I passed the challenge and I got funded. But out of the excitement of getting funded for the very first time, I blew that account the very first day I got funded. I blew it up. Okay, so after that, I went back to studying again. So the next time I went back to prop firm, I had the mindset of learning. So I wasn't there to make profit actually. So I went for funded next, and I traded that account for close to a year. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys proof as you are seeing on the screen right now. Yeah, that was my funded next account. I traded it for close to 1 year. Yeah, traded account. But what I was doing was actually testing out strategies, what I have learned, what I'm developing, and all of that. Okay, that's what profit should be for. If you are getting, I got a 15,000 account, and I used it to learn. Okay, if you don't know how to trade, you have not making profit yet. You shouldn't be trying to make money with profit. You can't make money with profit if you don't know how to trade. You need to be good for you to make money with profit. If you're not good enough, you can't do it by luck, right? So after I discovered what I was doing right and what I was doing wrong, I started adjusting my strategies. Eventually, sometimes in June, I discovered that, okay, I'm finally becoming profitable. So I went for ProFirm again, right? And I passed this time around. I passed the first week, passed got funded, got life funded. I got to the funding stage. I also took the funds to like 10%. I should have just waited, right? Just waited and I would have made my first withdrawal in June, but that did not happen because I decided to trade it again, and then I lost some part of the account, and then the Fondness took the account from me, say that I violated their daily drawdown or something. That was very painful. So that was why I decided to stop trading for a very long time. I decided to stop trading prop firms, not stop. I was actually trading my personal account, and I've actually made some withdrawals. I've shared it in this channel with you guys. You can look some of my videos. You'll see where I shared the screenshot of my personal withdrawals. Okay, but even though my overall I'm still in profit of like 6%, but they say I violated their daily drawdown rule, so the account was taken from me. You know how painful, how traumatizing this can be. So ever since then, I just banned myself from trading prop firm and just focus directly on my private account. But I don't have enough capital. Basically, I don't want to risk much, okay? Because when you are on your early stage of trading, one of the mistakes a lot of you guys make is that you just go and pump in money, borrow money. No, when you start learning to trade forex, that is when you want to go minimal. Okay, because the purpose of doing this is actually to get knowledge. Okay, you're not very strong yet. Don't start trying to borrow money, all of that, because you start making a little bit profit. So guys, when I stopped trading prop account, started trading my personal account, I made some little withdrawals. I was just risking little funds. Like if you go back to this YouTube channel, I posted the videos where I make some withdrawals. I'll actually show you guys live withdrawals that I've made. Okay, so guys, what I'm going to be doing going forward is, now that we are going to 2025, I've already, like as I'm talking to you right now, I'm already in 2025 because I already have my plan cut out, right? So for the sixth time I'm going for a prop term account. Actually, this is the sixth prop term account I'm trading with Funded Next. Okay, so I successfully bought 4 accounts. I passed the 5th one, and this 6th one I just bought it yesterday, as you can see right now on your screen. Okay, so it's a fresh account. As you can see, everything is 000 because I've not touched it. I hope to start trading it by the first week of January, because for this year I've ended my trading. I'm no longer trading for 2024, right? Because December actually is not a good time to trade, right? You keep encountering loss. Okay, for the past few weeks I also encountered loss also, because this is December. I know the emotional attached to your trades are always high because of the festive season. You want to make withdrawals and all of that, and that is not good for your trading. Any kind of pressure is not good for your trading, and there's always pressure in December, right? From the people making, like the major banks, they are taking out liquidity from the market, and then you are pressurizing the market to give you money. You know, it just has a recipe to blow your account. So it's not good to trade during December. Just let the market be. Start trading maybe late ending of January. So guys, I'll be coming in first week of January, but I have got my 2025 planned out for me, right? And as I'm speaking to you right now, I already have my plan for 2025. Okay, so but before I proceed into my plan, some of you guys might be wondering what really brought me into Forex trading, right? Maybe in our next video, I'm going to go into full details why I started trading Forex and why I chose Forex out of every other career path. Okay, so guys, but for now, I want to share with you guys my my goal for 2025. I already have my goal planned out for me, right? So my number one goal in 2025 is to be able to have 100k in my Forex trading account. I want to be able to have 100,000 in doing that. You know, if you are making plans and your plans does not look impossible or crazy, it means that your plans is not good enough. I know this might be a long shot for somebody that not even make $1,000 withdrawal from the Forex market before, to just come online and say you want to target 100,000. That is mad. But if it doesn't look mad, it means you are not. It's not good enough a target. Okay, so it looks impossible. Let's see if I'm able to achieve it or not, but I'm going to put in my best and see how it goes. But here is my strategy that I plan to use. Okay, so right now, for every Forex account, for every Proprietary account I'm going to buy, I'm going to have a spare account, right? Like the one I'm just bought right now, I already have spare waiting for me. Okay, and if I'm able to pass this, good. If I don't pass, I'll just go and buy another one, right? So I'm always having two prop firm accounts. Every time I'm buying one, I'm have the money to buy another one in case that one fails. Now that is my one of the strategy. And secondly, once I get to 10%, I have to make withdrawals. I'm not going to make start waiting for me to get like 20 or 30%. No, once I get to live stage and I make 10%, I make withdrawals. Once I make withdrawal, I divide it into two. 50% goes to my private trading account, while the remaining 50% goes back to buying more prop firm accounts. Okay, now that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be stepping up from 5,000 account to like 10,000 or 25 or 50. So that's what I'm going to be doing throughout next year, and I'm going to share, guys, my journey with you guys. So guys, if you guys are interested to see how it's going to pan out for me, I want you guys to subscribe to the channel, support this channel, share our videos. Okay, just let it go far, let it go viral. Okay, if you don't share, if you don't like, if you don't share it, it won't go anywhere. So guys, thank you guys for watching this video to this level.